What's up? Welcome to the ABCs of AI, where I unlock AI terms so you don't have to. So today's term is LLM, which stands for Large Language Model. Now, you may not have ever heard the term Large Language Model, but you've used it because if you've used ChatGPT, if you've used Gemini, if you've used Claude, then you've been using what is a large language model. But now that you know you've been using it, let's say what it is. So LLM stands for Large Language Model. And officially, it's a system trained on massive data sets to predict text. But the everyday unlocked definition for that, simply put, is it's a super reader. It has read the entire internet so that you don't have to. And it helps you use that knowledge to write, summarize, and brainstorm like a human being. You can have a conversation with it. But you're thinking about, okay, well, that makes sense, but how does it apply to my everyday? Well, let me give you a couple examples. Well, first, you can use it to draft that awkward email to connect to the person that you've been putting off. In your career, you can take a 30-page document, a 100-page document, and give it to report to you the key data points, the key elements that you need to find without ever reading it. And in your business, you can use it to write a week's worth of social media posts and get ahead of all of your competition. So now that you know what it is, and now that you know how it's used, how can you use it? Well, let me give you a prompt. So I want you to go into any of those LLMs that you use, and I want you to type this prompt. I want you to say, I am, and put in your job and say, give me 5 ways that an LLM can save me an hour of time today. And let me know what you unlocked. Come back in the comments. And as always, save this so you can come back to it and share it with your friends who you know are trying to unlock what AI really means. God bless, and I'll see you in the next episode.